In this video, I'll show you how to transfer your crypto from Earn to Spot in Binance so you can trade or withdraw it again. First, open the Binance app or website and log into your account. On the app, tap Wallets at the bottom, then look for Earn, Simple Earn, or a similar section where your interest-earning products are shown. On the website, go to Earn or Wallet, then Earn. Here you'll see the coins you've subscribed to, like USDT, BTC, or others. Find the asset you want to move back to Spot and tap on it. Next, look for a button like Redeem, Transfer to Spot, or Redeem to Spot Wallet. If it's a flexible product, you can usually redeem anytime. If it's locked, you may need to choose Redeem Early, which might reduce some rewards. Select how much you want to redeem. You can type the amount or choose Max to move everything. Confirm the details, then tap Confirm or Redeem. After processing, your funds will appear in your Spot wallet, ready for trading, converting, or withdrawing to another wallet or your bank after selling. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.